Okay guys, we're at the Bluebird Wanderlodge Owners Group Rally in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Just going to drive around and look at some of the beautiful buses.
Hello. Beautiful bus.
Look at Prevo. Look at that beautiful Prevo.
I know. That's the one that was here last year.
That's really nice. Is that the gentleman we met with the beard?
I don't know.
Is he the guy that goes to the auction? Try to keep this steady here as we go. This golf cart's got a bad wheel on it, so it kind of wobbles. Oh yeah, that bus was here last year. That's beautiful. Sure. See all the buses up on the hill. Going right around. Beautiful water over there. Beautiful lake. That's our view from our bus. Up on the hill. What are you trying to do? Okay. Here's our bus up on the hill. This place is huge. You either need to have a vehicle or a golf cart or something to get around. That guy's got a Freightliner with a fifth wheel. That's really neat. Nothing but bluebirds everywhere you look. That Prevo's out of this world though. You can still come to this rally no matter what kind of bus you have.
No, I think you have to have had a Bluebird. I don't think that's true.
Well, the Prevo's here. What do you have to have had a Bluebird?
Yes.
Here's the bus. There's the Bosch, Mr. Bosch. Hello, Mr. Bosch. We're back to Mr. Bosch. Over and out. Boy.